How to fix cannot verify phone number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll fix this phone number cannot be used as this time error in your iPhone. Now you might get this error when you're trying to log in with your Apple ID and you are just not able to do so. So let's fix this. First of all, what you need to do is head over to your settings. Now after you head over to your settings, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to change your time zone. To do that, head over to your general. After you're on your general, scroll down, you'll see date and time. Now, do not set it to automatic, change it and make sure that you have placed your correct time zone here. And after you've set it to manual, go back again. And after you're there, go to language and region and make sure that you choose your correct region. Now, after you choose your correct region, then what you'll need to do is head over to your location services. So to do that, head over to your settings again and then scroll down till you find privacy and security. Now under privacy and security, you will see location services. Make sure that you've turned this on. Now after you've turned this on, you can simply head back and then go up to general and scroll down again, and you will see if you have VPN enabled or not. Make sure that you have not enabled your VPN. After you've done that, you can simply go back and simply restart your iPhone. After you restart your iPhone, your problem should get fixed, and try logging with your Apple ID again and you will be able to do so. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching guys.